baby, going forge. And like you sell MLG Pro, the sword's made of diamond, so come at me, bro. Training in your room under the torchlight, home that phone to get you ready for the big fights. Every single day in the home, like creepers out prowling. Alright, look at me, look at you. Take my revenge, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a warrior, baby, what else is new? And my blade's gonna tear through you.
Baby, tonight, the creepers trying to steal all our stuff again.
Gather your stuff? Yeah, let's take back the world.
Baby, tonight, grab your sword, armor, and gold.
It's on.
Take your revenge. So fight, fight like it's the last night of your lifetime. Show them your fight. 'Cause baby, tonight, the creepers trying to steal all our stuff again. 'Cause baby, tonight, grab your big shovel and bolt again. And run until it's done, until the sun comes up in the morn. 'Cause baby, tonight, come on, those creepers trying to steal all our stuff again.
So yeah, that was the end of the video, how to build a piston door. Bye.